Think space is empty? Think again. For just a few seconds, you're about to discover that the vast black canvas above us isn't a void at all, but a bubbling field of energy that could power the future of science. You've seen the image of the night sky full of twinkling stars, but between every single twinkle, there's a secret that most of us only ignite when watching late-night science shows: the quantum vacuum. It's nothing like the empty space we picture in movies. It's a frothy mix of virtual particles that pop into existence and vanish in fractions of a trillionth of a second. In other words, empty is a misnomer. Quantum field theory tells us every point of space is a spring in a constant state of vibration. Even when no photons, electrons, or other particles are present, the fields electric, magnetic, Higgs continue to wiggle. These fluctuations are never entirely calm. They give rise to what physicists call zero-point energy. Think of it as the lowest level of energy a system can hold, energy that still exists even when all other energy has been drained. Scientists can actually feel this bubbling vacuum through something called the Casimir effect. When you place two metal plates a tiny fraction of a millimeter apart, these virtual photons are slightly farther apart between them than outside, creating a tiny pressure that pushes the plates together. It's subtle, but it demonstrates that the vacuum isn't just empty air, it's a physical medium. The implications are huge. The energy density of vacuum is enormous. Some estimates suggest about 10 circumflex 9 joules per cubic meter, roughly the energy needed to power an entire small city for a day from just 1 cubic meter of empty space. That's why engineers are still trying to capture it as a potential clean energy source. Another exciting link is to the cosmological constant, the mysterious force that's driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. Many cosmologists believe this is a manifestation of vacuum energy. If the quantum soup we're bubbling through is generating that push, the fate of all galaxies might be tied to the very empty space between them. In simple words, the space between stars is a quantum playground where particles appear and disappear, where invisible forces manifest, and where a hidden reservoir of energy waits to be understood. It's the backstage of the cosmos. If you're still amazed that space isn't empty, hit that like button, drop a comment below on what mystery of the universe fascinates you the most, and of course, subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.